Good morning guys, in front of me is Hammerblade 5 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint. First open the settings, then find and select security. Now mark biometrics and password and select fingerprint. At first you need to set some backup to your fingerprint. It can be pattern, pin code or the password. Let me choose pattern. And now just draw the pattern that you want to use, tap on next and re-enter it just to confirm. Tap on confirm. Here you need to customize your notification center. Let me don't show notification at all. Tap on done, more and agree. And as you can see now it's time to provide your fingerprint. The sensor is located right here, right under the volume down button. So just keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added. And then click on done. From now on you will be able to unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.